keep houseflies away naturally, the one plant they hate. Imagine a summer where your home stays fly-free without a single chemical spray. Just one fragrant natural trick. But here's where it gets controversial. Could relying on plants instead of pesticides really solve your fly problem? Let's dig in. As temperatures rise, open windows become gateways for swarms of houseflies. These pests thrive in heat and humidity, which turbocharge their breeding cycles. While insect sprays might seem like a quick fix, they're packed with toxins that lingered in the air, irritating lungs and eyes, and they don't stop new flies from invading. Enter Richard Kale, a plant expert from leaf culture, who argues that the secret to a fly-free home isn't a can of chemicals, but a handful of strategic plants. And this is the part most people miss. These plants don't just repel flies, they weaponize their own fragrances to do it. Here's the science. Certain herbs release essential oils that confuse fly senses and even act as mild toxins. By masking food odors that attract pests, these plants turn your home into a no-fly zone. Place them on windowsills, the front line of fly entry, and their scents overwhelm insects' delicate antennae, sending them veering away. Let's break down the top 3 fly-repelling heroes. 1. Lavender, the sweet-smelling saboteur. Lavender's purple blooms and calming aroma delight humans, but send flies into chaos. Its secret weapon? Linalool, an oil that irritates flies' nervous systems. Lavender isn't just decorative, it's a natural insecticide, says Kale. Pro tip, give it 6 hours of daily sun and avoid overwatering. Skeptical? Try it near a frequently opened window and watch flies retreat. 2. Basil, the kitchen guardian. This culinary staple does double duty by repelling flies and mosquitoes. Its intense fragrance, think fresh testo, overloads insect senses, disorienting them. Basil thrives on sunny kitchen windowsills. Kale notes, but here's the catch. If you don't pinch off its flowers weekly, the plant grows leggy and less potent. A small effort for a big payoff. 3. Mint, the multi-purpose powerhouse. Mint's sharp menthol scent doesn't just deter flies. It repels ants, spiders, and even mice. Beware. This fast-growing herb can invade your garden if left unchecked. Regular pruning keeps mint effective and contained, Kale advises. Plant it near entryways, and you'll create a fresh-smelling force field. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Do these plants actually work as well as sprays? Critics argue that natural methods require more upkeep. Forgetting to water or prune could mean failure. Others swear by them, citing fewer chemicals and a nicer-smelling home. What's your take? Have you tried natural repellents, or do you stick with tradition? Drop a comment. We're debating this below. Final thought. While no solution is perfect, combining these plants with basic practices like sealing trash and cleaning spills could make your summer truly fly-free. Will you give it a shot? Or is this just another greenwashing gimmick? The choice, as they say, is in your hands and on your windowsill.